Good morning. Today is November 28th, 2017. Here's the Golden Heart announcement of the day, submitted by Mrs. Fair. Macy showed her Golden Heart when she cleaned up books on the floor that were not hers. Thank you, Macy, for your Golden Heart. Mrs. Dijak is out today. Please quietly stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing.
Today, we celebrate the Respect Pillar of Character. Students who are respectful show their Golden Hearts. Several students were nominated to represent their classes as very respectful students. We would like to recognize them here today.
Natalia Valverde and Hamza Khalifa. Natalia and Hamza follow directions and are positive role models for their peers. They always use good manners and say please and thank you. Hamza and Natalia wait their turn to talk and listen to the adults when they are talking. Thank you, Hamza and Natalia. Rhea Patel. Rhea helped pick up a friend's toolbox that was knocked to the floor. She shared her book with a friend, and they read the book together. Rhea shares what she enjoys playing with in the kitchen area with her friends. Thank you, Rhea. Rudra Desai. Rudra raises his hand to speak and does not interrupt others. He greets his teacher by using her name every day. Rudra always remembers to say please and thank you. Thank you, Rudra. Samantha Kanaya. Samantha always listens to all teachers and follows directions. She values her friends' thoughts and treats them well. Samantha can always be counted on to be a helper to teachers and students. Thank you, Samantha. Natalie Lima Rodriguez and Michael Scarupa. Natalie and Michael are great listeners. They show respect to the speaker by staying quiet, keeping their eyes focused, and raising their hands to make a comment. They allow their classmates to work and learn. They are quiet during work times, and they do not try to distract the children around them. Michael and Natalie follow their teacher's directions quickly. They are always ready to get started on a new activity. They are respectful of Miss Cook's time and the time of the other students in the classroom. Thank you, Michael and Natalie. Brianna Garcia. Brianna is always kind to her classmates and teachers. She does an excellent job of following the classroom rules. Brianna is friendly and includes others while playing. Thank you, Brianna. Michaela Juarez Marquez. Michaela always uses her manners to say please and thank you. She takes turns and shares. If she has a question, she raises her hand and respectfully waits her turn. Michaela makes smart choices and works hard. Thank you, Michaela. Lillian Albayati, Adriana Cano Minera, and Aeon Burgess. Lily, Adriana, and Aeon show kindness to their teachers and classmates. Learning is important to Adriana, Aeon, and Lillian, so they listen carefully, participate, and complete their assignments. Aeon, Lily, and Adriana take care of their own belongings and help keep the classroom organized. Thank you, Aeon, Adriana, and Lily. Sophia Foti and Charlene Monterasoro Paxter. Sophia and Charlene are friendly and kind to every student in their class. They use kind words like please and thank you, and they ask, "Are you okay?" Charlene and Sophia always follow the classroom rules. Thank you, Charlene and Sophia. Harina Agachu. Harina is respectful to her classmates. She says please and thank you to her teachers and peers. Harina is respectful when she sits quietly on the rug. She also shows respect by working quietly and raising her hand. Thank you, Harina. Sophia Moldakmatova. Sophia sits respectfully when listening to a speaker. She always remains quiet and will raise her hand if she has a question. Sophia shows respect by putting books and supplies away. Thank you, Sophia. Zion Aflik, Nozer Pachara, and Haya Patel. Zion is very caring and responsible. He helps people when they are hurt, speaks kindly to others, and follows directions. Nozer sits quietly and listens to lessons. He follows directions. He is one of the nicest people a student in his class has ever known. He lets people play a game and is helpful. Haya helps her classmate with some work, plays with classmates, and takes great care of things. She is a good friend and includes other people when playing. Thank you, Haya, Nozer, and Zion. Max Edgar and Brianna Santos. Max's classmates notice him playing nicely, including everyone and encouraging others. Brianna's classmates notice that she helps others put things away, shares, is kind to everyone, and offers to play with someone who is alone. Thank you, Max and Brianna. Jahi Fuller and Danielle Marcelin. Jahi and Danielle always treat people with respect and are golden-hearted. They take pride in their schoolwork and always do their best. Danielle and Jahi are good listeners. They follow directions. Thank you, Danielle and Jahi.
In addition to the students who are recognized, I would also like everyone to give a round of applause to their families who are here today. We know that it is you who help your children to become the students who are especially respectful, and we thank you for that. I have two other awards or announcements to make today. And the students don't even know that I'm going to do that. Last night, I got an email from the Mercer County Prosecutor's Office. And many of you submitted posters for their calendar contest this year. Slackwood School has 2 winners this year. Really cool. So I would like Karthika Kojapalli and Stephanie Garcia to please come forward. They submitted artwork that now will be in the calendar for 2018-2019. So next year, about this time, they should be getting their calendars, I'm thinking. So congratulations to you. I have a letter for you to take home to your family to tell them about a special reception to which you are invited. Congratulations. We are very excited about that. Now, can you please join us in singing It's About Respect? And now we need to find out who is the winner for Emily Eagle for this month.
There are many classes that are practicing great hallway behavior. This month's winner with 7 Emily Eagle Award tickets is Mrs. Tangen's class. Keep doing a great job walking quietly in the hallway.
Mr. Billy has the eagle, and now Mr. Billy will announce our winner for the golden ticket.
Okay, so every time teachers see students doing something special that they don't ask for anything from, they get a golden ticket, okay? And they're all put in a basket. And then at these assemblies, we draw a name, and the class wins either a pizza party or an ice cream party, whatever they want, okay? And the winner today is Pamela from Miss Cook's class. Where's Pamela? Come up here. So, Pamela was kind enough, again, kindness matters. Pamela was kind enough, so during the book fair, she bought a book for the class. And Miss Cook honored her by putting a golden ticket in, which was really, really nice. So, Pamela. Okay, boys and girls. Okay, that ends our assembly for today. Remember, okay, like every day, kindness matters. You guys do a great job. Okay, we'll slowly start with our pre-K, exit the gym. Thank you very, very much. Parents, thank you for coming out today. Good job.